This is the elevator at College Hall here at Montclair State University. It is a ThyssenKrupp. Oh wait, no, it's a Dover. 3. One. No, folks, it's a Dover, modernized by ThyssenKrupp. I wonder if this is one of the last mods done by ThyssenKrupp before they sold their elevator business. ThyssenKrupp, thank you for your contributions to the elevator community. Three. This building was under massive renovation when I was visiting here. And this is the result. Beautiful. Let's give you a cap view. I wonder what this used to be. Probably an impulse. Okay.